In this video, let's learn how to divide the number 424 by 8 using the long division method. See that first digit 4 is less than 8. That is why we will consider the two digits. We know that 8 times 5 is equal to 40. Subtract, we get 2. Now this 2 is less than 8. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 4 here. And we know that 8 times 3 is equal to 24. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 424 divided by 8 is equal to this number 53. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.